How did I lose 75 pounds in about 6 months? There was a few things that tied into this, but one of the top reasons was because I was in a calorie deficit. Now for my video where I explained calorie deficit and how to find it, I have gotten so much feedback on people who are more visual, people who are not understanding when I'm just saying the equation and they really want to see it written out. So let's write it out. Let me help you figure out your personal calorie deficit so that you can get a head start on your weight loss journey today. Okay, so here is going to be our test model for the day. She's a female, she's 44, she is 5'3" and 216 pounds. We're gonna put her height in centimeters and pounds into kilograms. We're gonna make this simple and we are going to Google 5'3" in centimeters. It gives you right here, 160.02. Gonna write that. And then 216 pounds to kilograms is gonna be 97.976. 97.976. So here's the first part of the equation. We're gonna take the weight, so right here in kilograms, and multiply that by 10. So 97.976, we're gonna multiply this by 10, 979.76. We're going to write it up here, 979.76. And now height in centimeters times 6.25. So here's our height in centimeters. So we have 160.02 times 6.25. 1,000.125. Write it here. 1,000.125. So we have the first two parts of the equation. Now we need our age times 5. So she is 44, which makes 220. So now we add the first two numbers. See the parentheses, add these two. Then we're going to take the sum of this and we're going to subtract 220. So let's add these two first. 979.76 plus 1,000.125. So we have 1979.885. So here's this. We're going to minus the next part. So minus 220. And then the last part, minus 161. This is for women. If you're a man, you'll do this. But here you're going to add 5. But we're doing the woman part. So minus 220. And then minus 161. 1598. So we're going to round that up to 1599. Follow for part 2 because this is just your BMR. This is what your body burns at rest. We need to figure out our deficit.